Hello everyone. Welcome back to our journey through time and space, as we delve once again into the fascinating world of extinct animals. From colossal giants to oversized rodents, we will familiarize ourselves with creatures that once roamed our planet, but now exist only in the pages of history. Let's get started. Mastodons. The mastodon, a distant relative of modern elephants, was a colossal mammal that roamed the Earth around 10,000 to 11,000 years ago. It was an elephant-like creature, with distinctively curved tusks, that could reach lengths of up to 16 feet. Mastodons were well adapted to a variety of environments, from forests to grasslands, and their teeth were adapted for grinding tough vegetation. Unlike their mammoth relatives, mastodons had a stockier build, with shorter legs and a unique set of teeth that helped them process different types of plant material. Moa. The moa, native to New Zealand, was a group of flightless birds that reached staggering heights, standing as tall as 12 feet or more. This giant bird looked like a massive, upright ostrich with no wings. The moa belonged to several species, each adapted to different environments, and they played a crucial ecological role as herbivores in New Zealand's ancient ecosystems. With no natural predators, these giants thrived until the arrival of humans. Unfortunately, the moa faced extinction shortly after human settlement, primarily due to overhunting and habitat destruction. Giant beaver. The giant beaver was a remarkable rodent that lived around 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. A supersized cousin of today's beavers, they were much larger, with a size comparable to that of a black bear. These giants were excellent builders, constructing massive dams and lodges in ancient waterways, with their strong, chisel-like teeth. Unlike their modern counterparts, the giant beavers had robust bodies and long tails, well adapted for life in and around the water. Pelagornis. The Pelagornis was a colossal seabird that soared the oceans approximately 28 to 2.5 million years ago. It was one of the largest flying birds in history, with a wingspan exceeding 20 feet, resembling an albatross but on an extraordinary scale. Pelagornis had long, slender wings, and a beak adapted for plucking fish from the ocean's surface. Despite their impressive size, these birds were masterful gliders, utilizing ocean winds to cover vast distances in search of food. Fossils suggest that they were well adapted to both flying and swimming, combining the characteristics of modern birds and marine creatures. Auroch. The auroch was a colossal wild ancestor of modern domestic cattle that once roamed across Europe, Asia, and North Africa. They were powerful bovine creatures with distinctive upward curving horns and a robust build, standing nearly 6 feet tall at the shoulders. Humans have a long history with the aurochs, with depictions of these majestic herbivores found in ancient cave paintings and folklore. Unfortunately, as human populations expanded, aurochs faced habitat loss and hunting led to their eventual extinction in the early 1600s. Great auk. The great auk, a remarkable seabird that once inhabited the cold waters of the North Atlantic, was known for its distinctive appearance and unique lifestyle. This flightless bird, standing about 3 feet tall, had sleek black and white plumage, reminiscent of a penguin. Despite its inability to fly, the great auk was an exceptional swimmer, equipped with flipper-like wings that allowed it to navigate the ocean with ease. These birds primarily foraged for fish, using their agile wings to propel through the water in pursuit of prey. The combination of overhunting for their feathers, meat, and eggs, coupled with the introduction of invasive species, led to their rapid decline. Direwolf. The direwolf, a formidable predator that once roamed North and South America, was a close relative of the modern gray wolf, but much larger and stockier. They had a robust build, powerful jaws, and teeth adapted for crushing bones. Dire wolves hunted in packs, coordinating to take down large herbivores like bison and horses. These fearsome wolves were adapted to harsh Ice Age environments, and their fossils reveal a social structure similar to modern gray wolves. Their last known populations vanished from Earth around 9,500 years ago. Woolly rhinoceros. The woolly rhinoceros, a magnificent creature adapted to the frigid landscapes of the Ice Age, was a close relative of today's rhinos. These animals resembled a rhinoceros covered in shaggy, reddish-brown hair, with two formidable horns curving forward, and measuring up to 3 feet in length. These powerful herbivores grazed on tough, cold-adapted vegetation, using their robust horns for digging through snow to access buried plants. Despite their massive size, woolly rhinoceros were surprisingly agile, navigating the icy terrains with ease. Once Ice Age ended, the woolly rhinoceros faced extinction, possibly due to a combination of climate change and human hunting. Passenger pigeon. The passenger pigeon, once abundant in North America, was a social and nomadic bird that formed immense flocks, darkening the skies during their migrations. These pigeons had a striking blue-gray plumage, was elegant in flight, and known for its remarkable speed and agility. Unfortunately, their large populations made them vulnerable to exploitation, and extensive hunting for food and sport led to their rapid decline. By the 19th century, the once breathtaking flocks had dwindled, and the last known passenger pigeon, named Martha, died in captivity in 1914, marking the extinction of this iconic species. Golden toad. The golden toad was a vibrant and iconic amphibian recognized for its striking golden-orange coloration. These small toads, measuring only about 2 inches in length, possessed a radiant hue that made it stand out among the mossy forest floor. This elusive species faced an unfortunate fate, and the last documented sighting occurred in 1989. Despite intensive efforts to locate them, the golden toads suddenly vanished, and their extinction is believed to be linked to a combination of climate change, habitat loss, and a deadly pathogenic fungus. Thanks for being with us to have a look into history and find the incredible diversity of life that once graced our planet. While these creatures may no longer roam the Earth, their stories live on in the rocks, fossils, and the intricate tapestry of the natural world. If you loved this video, and want to go on more such adventures, support us by hitting that subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and share it with your friends too. Nature is full of surprises, so keep your eyes wide open and your heart ready for more thrilling discoveries. We will be back with more animals in our next video.